Exploring the role of the narrator in storytelling. What makes a story unforgettable? Often, it's not just the plot, the characters, or the setting, it's the voice guiding us through the journey. The narrator is the silent architect of a reader's experience, the unseen presence who decides what we know, how we feel, and when we learn it. Understanding the narrator's role is essential for anyone who wants to appreciate storytelling at a deeper level, or craft a compelling tale of their own. A narrator does more than tell a story, they frame perception, shape emotions, and create trust, or doubt. Whether it's the omniscient voice that hovers above the narrative, the intimate first-person confessions, or the unreliable guide who misleads, the choice of narrator transforms the story's essence. In literature, the narrator is the filter between the story and the audience. This choice is never random. It reflects the theme, tone, and emotional undercurrent of the narrative. Think of Scout in To Kill a Mockingbird. Her youthful voice adds innocence and irony to complex societal issues. Or consider Humbert in Lolita, whose manipulative narration forces readers to question morality, perspective, and truth itself. Choosing a narrator also means choosing distance. A third-person omniscient narrator gives a godlike overview, ideal for epic tales or multi-layered plots. First-person narration pulls readers close, allowing for emotional depth but also limited perspective. Second-person, rare and experimental, throws the reader directly into the action, an intense and immersive choice used sparingly but effectively. Understanding narrative voice helps readers decode meaning and helps writers elevate their craft. It can dictate pacing, affect suspense, and even control how information is revealed. It determines whether readers trust the story, or challenge it. If you're a reader, start noticing who's telling the story and why it matters. If you're a writer, choose your narrator as carefully as your protagonist. The narrator is your story's lens. Choose a clear one, a biased one, or even a broken one, but make that choice deliberately. Want to learn more about the craft of narration and how it defines great literature? Visit our blog at PeakWeb. Info and explore in-depth guides, expert commentary, and storytelling secrets. Follow the link in the description to expand your narrative knowledge. So, which narrator has changed the way you see a story? Let us know in the comments and join the conversation.